Hey guys, Billy Campbell here with Hawg Power Sports, talking about our 4th of July sale. Got up to $1,000 off golf carts. We're gonna do 0% financing or low as 0% financing for those. 20% off accessory installs. You want a new steering wheel, tires, wheels, stereo, all that stuff, that's included in that 20% off. Free delivery within 20 miles. You pick up a golf cart, we'll take it right to you, wherever it is that you are within 20 miles. Lithium conversion discounts. We're giving you $300 off that package. That's been one of the hottest things we've had going on recently. Put these lithium batteries in, forget about it for 15 years pretty much. $500 off adult ATVs, side-by-sides, all that kind of stuff, and $300 off youth ATVs and side-by-sides. Of course, also 20% off accessory installs for those, free delivery as well. Last but not least, we're doing $150 off all scooters. So if you want that 100 miles to the gallon, come to zip around town, that kind of thing, 150 bucks off, 1-year warranty on those products. My favorite time of year, so let's go. Hawg Power Sports, 2740 Ogeechee Road, hogpowersports.com. Get squealing.